I'm afraid, and sometimes I fall down. But God, you were always there.
It's your girl, Carrie Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how to get this very soft but cute makeup look. It's not too much. So if you want to know how to get this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying my Pond's moisturizing cream all over my face. One thing about this moisturizer is it's not only just creamy and rich, but leaves my skin so soft and smooth. It's like my holy grail. I swear by this product. It is like the best. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my brows. I am taking this brow pencil by TooFaced, and it is a part of their chocolate collection. One thing I do love about this brow pencil is not only does it come with a spoolie, blending, but it's very light in color. So it makes it super easy to get that natural look because you don't want to have dark brows. Typically, you don't want to have dark brows when you're going for like a natural makeup look. You've done for me, so many things, many things, too many things for me. So next, I'm going to be picking up my concealer brush from Morphe. It's the Morphe 435 brush, and this brush is amazing, guys. Please, 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 this should be one of the brushes that everyone, or even every person, should have in their brush collection. So I'm going to be taking the color Fawn, and I'm going to be carving out and cleaning up any mistakes that I've made when filling in my brows. And I also like to blend with my fingers, so you're going to see me doing that in this second.
If you never came through for me, look all the reasons they laughed at me, because you know them recovery.
So after I blended in my concealer with my finger, and then you can also use any type of eyeshadow brush, I'm going to prime my face using the NYX Primer Drops. I'm also going to blend that in really well. I actually just started using it not too long ago, so I don't know if I'm sold yet. After this makeup tutorial, I did see that there was a big difference, so I did appreciate that. But primer is also important because it lays that foundation as well. I normally set my face too with a powder, but yeah, so you missed that part where I applied my foundation. But I applied my foundation using NYX in the color Cappuccino, and then now I also missed the part where I concealed, but I concealed under my eyes using Fawn. I really want to exaggerate the fact that you really need to blend for your life, girlfriend. You need to blend. So I would at least say spend at least 5 minutes on blending, because you want to make sure that everything is even and nice pressed into the skin, because if you don't, then you'll be able to see where the color starts and where the color stops. The goal is you want everything to kind of blend together, so you can't see where you highlighted, and it won't have any harsh lines.
SOS, I'm not okay. Don't know what to say. Don't you hear me pray? SOS, I'm not okay. I don't wanna sing, so I'll send another prayer.
Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my Sacha Buttercup setting powder underneath my eyes. I'm also going to apply it where my cupid's bow is, and also my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. So you want to apply the powder wherever you put your highlight. So if you highlight under your eyes, if you highlighted under your cupid's bow and your forehead and your chin, you want to make sure you set that, because you do not want your highlight to move. And also it helps it from oxidizing, especially if you're a sweaty person. Don't expect it to be on long if you do not set your highlight. It's so important that whatever you use liquid with, that you set it with a powder on top. And right now I'm being really weird, and I'm applying my concealer with, contour, sorry, with my finger. That's really something I don't do, but I was really rushing and I just want to kind of get this video out, so yeah.
I was thinking maybe that I had some say in how you was saving me. Silent, but you still stay with me. And I see now how you was changing me. Cause I sent my distress, and those waves were the test. Cause I need.
Okay, so after I applied my contour and blended it in, I used that Sacha Buttercup to set underneath of my cheekbone. I'm also using NYX Chestnuts as a lip liner. I love this lip liner. It's like the best lip liner. I've tried NYX, what is it called, Quirk, and I don't really like that. I think I'm actually gonna take that back. But I'm also using Kylie Lip Kit in the color Candy K for the middle of my lips, and then I'm also gonna take this brush that I got from e.l.f. and I'm gonna brush off any excess that is left from my setting powder. I had set my powder for probably at least about 5 minutes or so.
I don't wanna sing, so I'll send another prayer.
I'm also using the NYX contour palette to also set my foundation, and I think I'm using that color Toffee over top just to kind of help brush off that powder. So one thing I learned too is that powder brushes off with more powder. So if you can't get that powder off from your highlight, you can also just take there you go. That's just a contour. You also can take a different color, maybe powder of your foundation, and use that to get off the highlight color. So yeah, right now I'm talking about the importance of powder. Powder. We love powder. Okay, so now I am taking just a taper brush and I'm going in with that, I think it's a toffee color, I'm not sure, but it's the darkest shade of the NYX palette, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. So I don't really contour my nose, so for the sake of this video I just want to show you guys how I do it if I was to do it. I just start at the top where my brows are, and I just kind of darken the sides of it, and then I take that taper brush and kind of go under around in like almost a half circle, and then I'll finish it off the top, and then I'll connect the line from the top of the line that I started off with, if that makes sense. So I am not really an eyeshadow girl, but if I am going to wear eyeshadow, I will wear this natural color that I get from the Tartiest Pro palette. I just take the color and apply it on my crease, and then I also apply that same color on my lid. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying my lashes that I got from Huda Beauty, and these are like my favorite lashes, especially when it comes to that natural look. So one thing that I really want you guys to remember is that when you're applying your lashes, if they're old lashes, please make sure you remove all the glue. I repeat, all the glue off your lashes first. I do recommend that you look down when you're applying your lashes. That way you can actually see the width of your eye, and you're able to apply it evenly.
got my God with me. 50 times I fall down to the ground, and 50 times I get up again. I get up again, yeah. It restores me when I trip it till I stumble off the edge and tiptoe and get off again. And get off again, yeah.
So for some odd reason, I could not find any of the many mascaras that I own. So I did not apply any mascara before putting on my lashes. But I do recommend that you do apply mascara. It doesn't matter what kind, before you apply your lashes. So that way, your lashes have a base and have something to stick on. It also helps blend in your lashes, your natural lashes, with your falsies. Okay, so next I'm going to be setting my face with the MAC Studio Fix Plus setting spray. Actually, no, it is not a setting spray. I just learned that it was not a setting spray. It's actually just a spray that allows your makeup to melt together as one. So I don't know who told me it was a setting spray, but come on. Like, anywho, if you do use this setting, keep calling it a setting spray. It's not a setting spray. If you do use this spray, please make sure that you still apply a setting spray over top. So whether it's Mario Badescu or Urban Decay, either or will work. So now I'm applying this blush by Urban Decay in the color, what color is it? It is the color, give me 1 second, Quiver. In the color Quiver.
You know they leave me alone. For sure.
So do not judge me, okay? Only God can judge me, right? So don't start throwing stones. But I have no idea why I am using this brush to apply that same color from the Tartiest Pro palette under my eyes. I have no idea. I'm sorry. I was doing a lot of irrational things and I was not thinking clearly. I was just so tired. So now I'm going to take one of my favorite eyeliners ever, and this is my eyeliner from MAC in the color Feline. This color is just so pigmented. I really do love it. It's one of my must-have products. I do recommend that if you're looking for a good eyeliner, besides Inglot, because that's a good eyeliner as well, but I just love this eyeliner so much. So praise the Lord. Praise them, because guess what? I found my mascara. So I was able to still apply that mascara on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. So in a minute, I'm going to show you my secret weapon, that thing. Guys, this is my favorite highlighter ever. It's Golden Deposit by MAC, and I'm trying to tell y'all, like, I'll be out here shining, girl.
Chasing dreams, getting vision. Life's a risk, so it's a difference. So why you can't get back?
Okay, so this is the final look. I will post all of the products that I use in the description box. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I had a lot of fun doing this look. It's something simple that you can do every day. Very minimum makeup, which I love sometimes. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification to get more videos. Bye, guys.
Got a job, got a G, I need your love. People fearing what they never know, and sick of what you saw and get the growing. Man, I ain't do much to move. See me coming when I go. Shoot that gun, then I